Wait, is bike lane.
Like this is
Et vous, honnêtement?
Ja, als u wil kunt u in het café naar de wc nog. Kijk eens.
Welcome to the Wim Kan, that's the name of this boat. My name is Ferry, I'm your captain. I'm going to sail you around Amsterdam in this lovely, typical Dutch weather. I hope everybody has headphones for the audio guide. Stick the headphones into the audio guide, choose your language. We have 19 different languages, so I hope your language is available. If your language is not available, choose NLD for Netherlands and learn some Dutch words. Amazing language, believe me, easy to learn, easy to speak, easy. We'll find out later. If you need to go to the toilet, we have a toilet in the back, behind the white wall. And if you want to sit outside on the balcony, no problem, but keep your hands and your head inside the boat because bridges in the Netherlands are very painful. If you have any questions whatsoever, come to the front, enjoy the tour.
it doesn't start yet.
Bunga. Bunga. Kanta may kamay.